This is a pack of stainless steel socket head cap screws, metric 4 sized. I was sent this to review for free. If you wanted to purchase it, it would cost you about $13 for the pack. So included on top of the box is this little hex driver, which I'm assuming fits the hex head of these M4 socket head cap screws. So you basically have some lock washers, 110, flat washers, 110, 50 nuts, and then you have 8, 10, 12, 16, 20, 25, 30 millimeter lengths. And so a lot of these are 20, these guys are in 15s, and these guys are in 10s. And so each of these is included in its own individual little mini zip baggie. So you don't have to worry about them moving from container to container, although once you receive the package, you might want to take these out of the bags just to make them easier to grab, one at a time. So you have 110 lock washers and regular washers, but you only have 50 nuts. So you have more screws than nuts, but in a lot of cases with these machine screws, you're screwing them into parts. And these guys here are claimed to be 304 stainless steel. So let's open one of these up and hit it with a magnet and see if we agree with that. So it's definitely stainless steel. It does hold to this MIB magnet, but it's not snapping to it like steel would. It might be 18.8 instead of 304. It's sticking to what I feel is a little more like 18.8, but it could be 304. But it's definitely a stainless steel. I guess I might as well check that they put the right hex wrench in here. I can't imagine the Allen key being wrong, but you never know. And so yeah, that Allen key does match this socket head here. Now I have a nut from a known good M4 nut, and it is screwing on there beautifully, so all those threads look good. I'm going to test one of the nuts from their package against this guy now that I know those threads are good, but it looks very good. So it's basically a matter of, if you're looking for M4 screws in this size, check the price point against your other options. But yeah, it looks to be exactly as advertised. Comes with a nice little organizational packet here. I haven't counted every screw, but I suspect there's probably actually 10 in here. Let's give one bag a shot. Yeah, so there's 10 screws in that particular bag I spot checked, and yeah, it looks like 110 or so.